Good morning, everybody. So, most welcome in the third episode of the second chapter, Nationalism in India. Already, we have discussed in first and second chapter about the non-cooperation movement, about the civil disobedience movement. But, beta, these all movements were useless if we had no a particular type of sense, and this sense is the collective belonging. Because beta, without collective belonging, no movement can be success for the nation. Because being a nation, for making the nation, collective belonging is very essential. But question is what? What do you mean by collective belonging? Already I have discussed this feeling in the first chapter of nationalism in Europe. What were steps taken by revolutionaries of France for the collective belonging? Collective belonging means and interrelationships of the people who live in different parts of a country, but they all binds by one thread, and this thread is the feeling of nationalism. Collective belonging is totally based on the feeling of oneness. Millions of people when feel we are one and our nation is one, then this is known as the collective belonging. But patriotism, nationalism, and sacrifices for the nation, these all things are totally based on the collective belonging. Now, second thing is going to rise here. What are important factors responsible for the collective belonging? But first of all, history and fictions of a nation is very essential. Second, the folklore and folk songs. Third, the public painting or symbols, which is also known as the allegory. Fourth, a great nationalist leader also inspire to make the collective belonging this feeling. First of all, beta, I would like to start a factor of this symbols or allegory. Remember that in first chapter I have discussed so many times the allegory of France and Germany, how we compared with the allegory of India. Do you know what is the allegory of India? Yes, of course, you are correct. And this is the Bharat Mata. This Bharat Mata is a famous figure, a very important collective belonging figure, which is first of all imagined by whom? The figure Bharat Mata was imagined by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in 1870s. Our national song is based on this picture. Bande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Shitalam, Shasya Syamalam, Mataram, Bande Mataram. It was a hymns. He wrote this famous song in his famous work the Anand Math, and this Anand Math was written on a historical event, the Sannyasi rebellion of France, Sannyasi rebellion of Bengal, Sannyasi rebellion of Bengal. This Bande Matram was like a slogan, like a wish to each other. Everybody share this Bande Matram during our national movement struggle, the struggle of national movement. In Swadeshi movement, it was a source of power. When this movement was going on, they just united all the people against the Britishers. And remember that, beta. This hymns, this song was first time portrayed by Abanindranath Tagore. This portrait is very famous, looking a very calm, composed, a divine figure, like a giver, like our mothers for her son and daughters. This is a symbol of our motherland, and the picture was portrayed in 1905 in the Bengal, when the partition of Bengal and policy of divide and rule policy was going on in Bengal by Lord Curzon. So for development of the collective belonging, Abanindranath Tagore portrayed first time this picture, and you should also see the picture. This is the Bharat Mata. Okay. Similarly, some pictures, some other factors also very important. And what are these? This is the a great leader who inspired the different sections of society. We have a series of such type of leadership in our national movement, but a very famous leader was Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is the symbol of unity of the Indian. There is a picture portrayed, and this picture is that in this frame we have the picture of temples, church, mosque, and so many other religious symbols of different groups, and in the center Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It means, some other example you can say Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, these all are the great leader. Yes, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who united more than 562 princely estates in the one nation. We can also share the name of this great leader. Beta, another thing is folklore. What do you mean by folklore? Folklore means the folk story who are very famous and always tells by our grandfather, grandmother, nannies and daddies in every generation, and it transfers from one generation to another generation. This is the symbol of our culture, our beliefs, the story of Lord Ram, the story of Lord Krishna. You know very well how the great Shivaji evolved after listen this story by his mother. So this is a good example of this folk story. This folk story was collected by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore in West Bengal, and Dr. Natasha Sastry collected this folk story in Tamil Nadu, and he wrote a very famous work, the collection of folk story of South. These all are very, very important example. But as some other things, flag is a very famous factors to unite. For any team, for any unity, for any nations, a flag is very important. This flag organized everyone in one team. In India, it was also already we know. First of all, in 1921, a flag was prepared in West Bengal, and this flag was tricolor flag. In this flag, there is red, green, and yellow. During the Swadeshi movement of Bengal,